Hello guys and welcome to the channel, Boost and Redline with your boy Miguel here. We have another video for you. This time we're doing a massive upgrade to our video quality and recording equipment. As you probably have seen from the last couple of videos, we have been shooting with a combination of different cameras. Mostly a lot of point and shoot with my iPhone 7 Plus and other devices, but I'm very excited to share with you guys that this channel is getting a massive camera upgrade. I'm putting together the perfect blogging setup, and I'm doing an unboxing today to go over exactly everything I got, putting it together, and then testing the image to see what it turns out to be like. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Comment below if you like the setup, if you like the instructions, everything I'm about to share with you. Alright, here we go. A big shout out to my wife for getting me this equipment here, this whole kit for my Christmas present. And I'm very excited to open my Christmas gift here and share it with you guys and do this unboxing for you. So let's go ahead and get started. First part of the camera bundle is this Altura backpack. Very complete setup and very lightweight. I really like the compartment here for the camera, and basically be able to take it on the go, and it's not very fancy or complicated or heavy or whatever. It also comes with a lot of different compartments here, and also comes with all kinds of cleaning utensils and all types of different tools to make sure you keep your equipment all as clean as possible. Also a security latch that will prevent your camera from falling off of any tripod or any mounting. You can just attach this to the camera and this to anything that the camera is actually attached onto, so there's a lot of safety there. And it does come with a different type of lens covers for different shades of dark, depending on how well lit your environment is. So this should come handy for doing some of the scenery videos on the cars, and depending on the application. So very excited to put those to good use, of course. Next we have the tripod pistol here, at least that's what it's called. And it's actually made out of a really good plastic material. It feels nice and good grip to the hand. This actually came as part of the bundle, so not too bad. And of course, you can set it up to where you can have it as a standing tripod as well. So you could have it standing and adjust it to have your camera. In this case, if you wanted to just set it up somewhere and record, do a time lapse, anything like that. Of course, the camera will mount on here. We're gonna go ahead and test that later here in a little bit. Alright, so next we have the big boy here from Canon, the Rebel T7i. And this is a good entry camera. I was debating between the DSLR 2 and the T7i. And eventually, I decided to spend the extra dollars and get this camera. I am planning to put it to good use, and I want some serious equipment. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy here. Alright. Big manual here, almost looks like a dictionary for instructions. Got a nice necklace here for holding the camera. Some more instructions. Alright, getting into the good stuff here. Here we have the battery and battery charger. Okay. This is the 18 to 55 millimeter lens that comes with the camera. Not bad at all. So let's go ahead and set that aside here. And last but not least, we got the camera body right over here. Okay, here we go. We get a good look here. Definitely, it's nice to have the portable screen that I can flip for for the good angle of vlogging there as well. The Canon Rebel T7i is actually a very solid camera on the entry to mid-level DSLR category. It actually has a, I'm reading over the features here, a 24 megapixel sensor with dual pixel design. It has 45 autofocus points, which are actually way more than the 9 autofocus points on the SLR2, and of course all of which are actually horizontally and vertical sensitive, and has built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. So I really wanted to have that convenience as well. It also has 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, so it's not quite 4K quality, but for now this is definitely going to be a huge improvement. 4K does require a lot of processing power for editing and and all that, so 1080p would definitely be a good resolution that I'll be using for now. Of course, as you probably already know, the microphone quality on all the DSLRs, the built-in microphone, is usually not the best quality you're going to get out of your camera for recording purposes, so it's very common to have an additional external mic as part of your camera rig for blogging. I've actually gone ahead and got one myself, and I went with a pretty safe option, which is the Rode VMGO. Has very good rating, of course, very popular and well known for its quality, and should work really good. Let's go ahead and open this one here. Alright, here we go. Comes with the Rode mic, of course, which mounts on top of the camera here, and it has this rubber protection here, which is basically protecting it against any type of hits that are undesired when recording, and also comes with the 3.5 millimeter audio cable here that will go from the camera to the microphone. When recording outside, depending on the environment and the type of noise, wind is usually your biggest enemy. I know for a fact on some of my videos you've actually had to hear the wind in the background, which is very undesirable, so it's very common also to get a windshield, some type of cover for your microphone so that it reduces that wind noise and you can get more audio quality out of it. In this case, I've gone ahead with the very popular, of course, the Dead Cat, as most people call it. And in this case, I didn't actually go with the Rode brand, although they do offer a Dead Cat. I actually went with a Neewer, that's what it's called, Neewer brand. Neewer Dead Cat windshield here for my microphone, which should work pretty good. And should actually add a lot of quality to my audio recording on my camera. Now, of course, what is a good camera blogging setup without the good old GorillaPod? So I've got the JOBY GorillaPod, very popular. Link is in the description for this one. Very, very pleased with the feeling and the versatility of this. The way you're able to just basically use it as a tripod and be able to wrap around so many different things. It basically grabs whatever shape you want it to have, and then it gives a good distance from the camera to the arm, and then how it's how your face overall fits in the camera. So this is it, guys. We have everything we need here to go ahead and put our vlogging camera together. That being said, let's go ahead and put all the pieces together and let's test it out, shall we? And there we go. Awesome, perfect. So this is that angle I was talking about, you guys, to be able to have this distance away from the arm where the arm doesn't usually show up in the shot, and then that way I'm actually able to get the best vlogging view. And I am now using the JOBY GorillaPod on here on the camera setup with the Rode mic and everything, and you can see the difference here. So you can't see my arm. My head is perfectly positioned on the screen. There's not too much or too little, so it gets for that perfect view there. Of course, you're gonna be seeing a lot more from this angle, but you can see here just around the kitchen a little bit, you know, just to show you guys around. It's definitely a good angle there. And if I switch arms here for a second, here we go, with my left arm, I can also get a good angle for blogging this way as well. So really good, really nice to have. Very excited, definitely very excited to be able to have this type of quality video, to be able to, you know, have to show you guys in the channel here on the next videos coming up. So definitely stay tuned for that.
Okay.
All right, and it is our favorite time of the year. It is Christmas, and we are, you already know it, wrapping gifts. And as my wife figures out how to put the duct tape together and how to make it work, we are slowly but surely working our way on wrapping our gifts. We've made quite some progress here with these guys. Well, as you can see, this place, this is our guest room here. Looks quite like the mess with all the different gifts and stuff that we're wrapping. And there's my workstation over there, so you can see it's got all kinds of different stuff all over it, so very disorganized. This is the time of year where you don't really care about all that. You just want to have a good time with family and loved ones, and definitely wanted to make sure you guys can be part of it. It's part of the YouTube family. It is the day before my birthday, so I'm not sure what my wife has in store for me, if there's any surprise or anything going on midnight tonight. Really? Why not? I keep telling her that it's my birthday, and she keeps telling me that it's her birthday.
It is my birthday.
So I'm turning 25, quarter of a century old here. And, you know, you can feel that wisdom pouring through my veins. Not really, but yeah. What's your favorite part about Christmas?
The food.
The food? What about the food?
Amazing. My mom cooks awesome.
Okay, give me the right gift. As you can see here, my wife can be very, very spontaneous. Just like that.
The night away.
So the best, is that the best you got for Christmas? Well, why you want to listen to Christmas music? Really? We got your talent here to count on.
Christmas spirit.
You're not?
I am.
There you go.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Well, there you have it, guys. I hope everyone has very happy holidays and very Merry Christmas to all, from the Boost and Redline family to you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful time. Happy holidays, happy New Year's. Take care, drive safe, have a good time with your family and loved ones. We love you. Peace out. Take care. And I'm very happy and excited to share it with you guys. What are you doing?
You still have to put your presents?
No, stop. Leave so I can finish. Stop. This is like photobombing my video. What's wrong with you?
You should put this as like a fast play. Man, you're sexy.
You can't let me finish my video.
I just got check on the teeth because you're so calenturo.
Next we have the windshield, also known as a deck cat, and what it does is actually it helps reduce the wind noise. So you can see here, this dead cat windshield will go on top of your camera. Okay, so we'll go something like this, and it will reduce your wind noise, and it will also help the quality of your microphone.
Hey, why don't you get a power stroke, or why don't you go with Cummins?
What are you doing? You're being
I kind of moved.
Yeah, stop moving the angle, please. I do not appreciate. Okay, yeah, you got cold water, right? Okay. I'll see you later.
What are you singing? What song is that? Jingle Bells?
Go hum.
That's not Christmas music.